Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I just did this video about making this banner off of a clip art, and I started thinking, these areas you're really not going to write into, you're not going to engrave anything on, so why not have a little fun with it? We're going to set our nudge distance on 1 inch, and we're going to take the Smart Fill tool and we're going to fill in that part. We're going to make it a lighter color. And then we're going to take the interactive fill tool, and you could play around this till the cows come home, changing the color, making it darker, but you're not going to engrave on it anyway. Why don't you, now this would really work for a sublimator or somebody doing color, and this would work on your laser. If it was a real important deal, I'd actually run this on a separate job. Or color, well, you can't color map that blend, but that's pretty cool. And then if you want to do the exact same thing on the other one, just Control D, mirror it, and have it just pop into place. You would need to adjust it a little bit, turn your nudge distance way down, 0.001, and kind of nudge that guide down and around. And you could even expand it so it does hide all the lines. But that would add a little bling, as I'd call it, to your engraving. And you could actually do this, 1, 2, you're not gonna, let's not, you know what I said, don't ever, whenever you forget to set your nudge distance back to something higher, don't forget about it. So put it right back where it was before you do anything. And we're gonna make this one a darker color, probably black. Let me zoom in here. Use your interactive fill tool and just kind of play around with this. And I'm by far no expert in it, but that kind of a good look. Might not really engrave any different, but it could be, because this could be a lighter product, especially if you made it quite a bit lighter. And it kind of looks like it's dark and then gets in the light. That's just kind of playing around. Now, if you're a printer or a sublimator, that would definitely be beneficial to you. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.